Coach, raking in over 100,000 views within a month. The potential here is staggering. Now to the main course. How do you create this content without showing your face, and better yet, with AI automation? Step 1. Concept generation. Start with brainstorming. Explore different topics that interest you and can be easily transformed into quiz and riddle format. Remember, the key is to keep your audience engaged and curious. Step 2. Content creation. Next, create the content. Utilize AI tools like OpenAI's GPT-3 to generate unique and interesting quizzes and riddles. This powerful AI can produce high-quality content with minimal effort on your part. Step 3. Video production. Once you have your content, it's time to transform it into a video. Use tools like Canva to create eye-catching visuals. Pair each question with an interesting image or graphic to keep viewers intrigued. Step 4. Automation. This is where the magic happens. Automate the process of creating videos using AI. This can be done by using AI tools to generate titles, descriptions, and even hashtags for your videos. Step 5. Monetization. Finally, the sweetest part of the process. Monetization. Apply for YouTube's partner program once you have reached the eligibility criteria. This will allow you to start earning revenue from your videos. Now you might be wondering, is this method really effective? The answer is a resounding yes. There are numerous examples of successful YouTube channels that have implemented this strategy. However, remember that success doesn't come overnight. It requires consistency, creativity, and a keen understanding of your audience. Don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep learning. Also, don't be afraid to think outside the box. The world of YouTube is vast and ever-changing. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow, so constantly evolve, adapt, and innovate. With these steps, you are now equipped to start your own monetizable YouTube channel. But don't just sit there, take action. Remember, the first step is always the hardest. So, take that leap of faith and start creating. This could be your chance to not only earn a substantial income, but also to express your creativity, share your knowledge, and make an impact. So, why wait? Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your journey to YouTube success begins with this very moment, so seize it. In the wise words of Walt Disney, the way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. So start doing, start creating, and who knows, you might just be the next YouTube sensation. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you found it informative and inspiring. Remember, the world is your oyster and YouTube is your pearl. So go out there and start creating. Thank you for your time, and until next time, stay inspired, stay motivated, and never stop.